Okay, guys, so I was running, trying to get ready out the door. I'm caregiver to my sister, let her get ready. Um, Got ready to jump in my car, rush off to work, grab my little breakfast that my dad cooks. Because if it wasn't for my dad, I probably wouldn't eat at all ever. I run to the car, guys, and upon getting to my car, I push the button on my keys. So I'm pushing this, and I see it's not doing nothing. So I'm like, okay. I put my bags in my car because I hate when I have to try to run out with my drink, my breakfast, and all of that, and I'm wasting my stuff everywhere. So I put my bag in the car, but I realized the thing wouldn't beep. So then I'm like, I don't know. I was like, now I'm going to have to get a battery for my key. Not knowing that when I get in the car, so I have to fidget with this, and then it finally let me in. Put the key in the car and it won't the thing won't turn over. I'm like, are you kidding? I know you got to be kidding me. So I immediately call my manager because now I'm going to be late. um I did realize my dad had his car in the driveway, so I did run in. I live my life moment to moment, like I'm squeezing something into every moment. It's really hard to wear as many hats as I do. So each hat is a lot of work to maintain. So every moment of my life is filled. I stayed up super duper duper late. Then I had to get up super early as I could. Help my sister get ready, get me ready. Like I'm not just accountable for just me. Um, and I can't get to work. So I go in, like, if I don't leave at 10 on the dot, I could make it to work, but I'm going to be running. And I'm going to be out of breath. And my calves are going to be aching, feel like the muscles are going to be breaking. That's when I have to get to the point where I'm like, am I going to leave my bag in the car that I need because I have to put it through a security thing where they have to check my bag and that holds me up? Or am I gonna, this is when you're making these split moment decisions on how your butt gonna get to work on time. So it's 10:03. I see my dad's car right out front. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll just transfer all my stuff I just put in the freaking car to be on time. I'll take those things. Now I'm gonna be late, possibly, but I still could make it. I run in, try to find his keys so I could transfer it to his car there, and he literally just left. He just left. He just left. He's like, okay, I'm going, Keita. I cannot find his key where it usually hangs. It is not there. So I'm like, dang, he must have pulled the car out, but he got the keys on him. So I can't even leave. I can't. I'm like, what the heck am I going to do? So I know I gotta, and then I call Money. I'm trying to see, is she off today? Can she get me to work? Like, she doesn't answer. So I call my job, and they're gracious. Like I said, I'm tired of being on the work shift, but at least the work shift that I am on, the managers are really, they're really good. They're really good. So she was like, she'll just approve my day off. Do I want to come in whenever I can get here? And I'm like, girl, I don't even know how I'm going to get there because I live at least 30 minutes from the freaking theme park. So it's not easy to get there. So she's like, just take the day off. So now I got to fix a car. I don't know what, my car just came from the shop not too long ago. No telling how much this could cost and would cost. Still broke from barely paying that rent this month. Didn't pay my lights. My lights, they calling me every day saying that they're about to shut that off. They're about to shut it off. They're about to shut it off. But they did assure me as long as I could make the payment before the 20th, I should be okay. Girl, this spot is not cute at all. And it's like, how do you get out this spot? There really are no answers. Like, The only answers are to get another job, which takes more time from your life, which will take more time from my finally getting to girl. So what are the answers? Because I've planted seeds. I've cultivated things. I've built things, but they haven't prospered as of yet. So I don't know. So that's what we dealing with today. This thing keeps clicking. I don't know what the heck wrong with this. So I'm gonna go change out of my skin, my checkered skin, and I guess I'm gonna catch up on some things. I can't even get in touch with my dad, so I don't even know what to do with this car. All right, guys, it's your girl Cadillac.